I believe the President was fed with wrong and poison information regarding the matter. 100% hindi po totoo yan. Alam po ng ating mahal na Panginoon na siya lang ang aking huwes sa puntong ito. But what is certain is, number one, I have my integrity intact. Number two, I have God watching over and protecting me and my loved ones.
Sana, akala mo lang yun. Marami siyang mali, maling-mali po yun. Hindi siya totoo, hindi iyon ganun. Baka naman kasi akala mo lang yun.
Alam mo, Peter Lim, then on the line of the structure is Marcelino Garbo, retired, and Herbert Colanco. He's not at large. He goes in and out of the Philippines. Patay na to. Well, somebody should tell him that he is wanted. Ito naman to, hindi naman ito talagang wanted because we have to add our evidentiary thing. But they would be considered persons of interest. Now, ito si Peter Lim, according to the Chief PNP, he goes in and out of the Philippines from China. Now, if he has friends here, sabihin mo sa kanya, the moment he lands at Naya, he will die. He will die. Might as well, because I'm sure the Chinese authorities are listening now. Better tell him, do not come back to the Philippines anymore. The moment he steps out of the plane, he will die. That is my assurance to the people of the Philippines. How? Ay, hindi na bale. Basta wag na siyang pumunta dito. Now, because of the communications, they can always run the show even outside of our country. That is given. Meaning to say, most of the operators and most of the shabos come from the outside. They are jettisoned in the highway and the high seas. And yung iba, meron pa nilalagyan nila ng GPS just to facilitate the location where the drug was thrown overboard. But hindi na bale, in due time, in the fullness of God's time, we will solve the problem, the drug problem of the Philippines. I'm just warning this Peter Lim and Peter Ko, do not escape from prison. You will die. Colanco, never try to go out of prison. You will die. And regarding Garbo, I think the DILG would take care of him. The other personalities in this matrix are persons of interest. Will they also die? I do not know. That is all for the day. Thank you.
Reporters are asking kung, kasi I think you're leaving for Davao tonight, sir.
My security about my person?
No, sir, yung may security threat, ISIS threat daw sa Davao ngayon, sir.
Hindi sa akin. Babak sa akin. I heard they're offering billions.
Yeah, so,
I do not worry. You have your vice president. Kaya nga tayo may vice president.
okay, sir.
There is always the rule of succession.
Okay. So, sir, you're confident with your security
No, I'm confident that God will decide everything. If God does not want me to die, I will not die. But if God wants me out of the scene, I will be gone. So, babay na lang.
Okay, sir.
No, that is just that's the story going around that they are going to raise funds. Alam mo, the armed forces will not take it sitting down. The Philippine National Police, even if I'm gone, they will not allow these animals to
Yes, sir.
have their day. You can be very sure that one of them, but also be as and Lene Robredo, if she becomes the president, will also be harsh. Kasi we're talking about the welfare of the country. I'm very allergic if it becomes an interest that would affect the country. Masyado akong lalo na itong drugs, criminality, kidnapping. So I'd like to ask also the police and with the participation now of the military, I'd call them to help. Do not forget the kidnap or ransom. But you might want to know that yung mga kidnap or ransom, murder for hire, they've shifted their operations and their money-making schemes dito sa drugs. Mas dali gawin with the least danger to themselves. I'm sure as the drug problem would go down, then you expect the criminality of drug for hire and kidnapping will also rise. There's never, for as long as we have a society, for as long as there are laws really that allows men to do this freely, they can do it because we do not, this is not a fast state. This is not a state where you can just stop a civilian and search this person and ask questions. That is not allowed under the law, our laws. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng problema. In autocratic countries, mahirap. Talagang, tapos noon may death penalty, dito wala. So, yan ang, that is really the meat of the problem.